Hi folks, Greg with KDK Sales. MX270 tractor here that we're going to auction for you. Meter showing 6,064 hours, but then you go up here and you add 3,500 hours to it, roughly 9,500 hours on this tractor. New right front tire, bald left front tire. The tractor has been repainted at some point. Tractor's showing a little age, a little wear on it. Started right up, air blows cold, all the important features seem to work. Yeah, give us a call with questions on this tractor. We're going to take off for you here and show you the function since I'm by myself today and can't have somebody video. Yeah, we'll see what goes here. Taking off, steering right, steering left. Power reverser. Backs up just fine. Taking off forward. Accelerate through the gears. Seems to do that just fine. Slow down here. Stops. Alright, we'll please give us a shout, 319-461-7646.